about you give us a little, tell us a little bit about your bike, a little walk around about it.
Custom LED headlights. I don't even know who the manufacturer is though, to be honest with you. Handlebars 10-inch risers from shout outs TJ Brutal Customs, shop TJC. The grips also from TJ. The brake cover was a gift from one of my boys. Rims were powder coated locally by a local company here down the road from my house. The forward controls, the pegs themselves come from once again TJ, and the stands and the perches were powder coated by a co-worker of mine. The carburetor's got velocity stacks on it, also from TJ. Jetted out, all bigger size jets. Custom suspension, Burley suspension. I believe they're like a 10-inch, something like that. Seat comes from also TJ. The wrap, the actual pan comes from TJ, but the wrap and the stitching and the leather comes from a locals company, locally by my house. The pipes, custom made, I made them myself, wrapped them myself. Got to touch them up with paint again, but paint them myself. That's my first pair. I've done another pair, different pair. Maybe I'll send Kerm the picture so he could put up a picture on the video of the second one. But hey, that's about it. Mini mirrors from Arlen S.
Rest in peace.
Yes, sir. The Sissy bar also was fabricated by me and with the help of another co-worker of mine. Seat was wrapped by me. Not a good job, but it's wrapped. It is what it is. And hey, it's my bike. It's what I enjoy. It's what I like, and to each his own. Took off the side covers. Custom side covers also on the bike. Gotta forgive me, but I don't remember exactly where they come from. Just to make the bike look a little bit slimmer. Take the bulkiness away out of it.
And the charging port you got over here, you did that yourself as well?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Did that myself. The switch, if you see it, is not on the perch no more. The cutoff switch and the start button is no longer on the handlebars. It's now on the side plate, the right side cover. Just a one-way button and a toggle switch as a kill switch. That's so that you know, someone like Kerm can't pull up next to me, you know, kill the bike on me while, you know, trying to play a little joke.
Dirty.
The camera, I mean the light.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's about it. I mean, other stuff you can't see is also the clutch springs. I don't remember where they're from, but they're a little bit shorter than the stock ones.
Yeah,
That's about it. That's a little quick description of my bike.
That's exactly what we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Making it your own.
It's ugly to some, it's beautiful to others. But it is what it is. It's not their opinion that matters, it's mine. I'm the one that rides it.
And you see it, and just by looking at it, I guess you wouldn't figure out why we call him Speedy, right?
There's a reason, like I said. There's a reason.